Happy Thursday all! If you missed the past 24 hours in crypto and stocks, here's your full recap. Nvidia absolutely crushed earnings with $57 billion in revenue, beating expectations, and their Q3 revenues surged to a record $57 billion, which is up 62% over the prior year, with their Q4 projection sitting at $65 billion for a 65% year-over-year increase. Net income hit a record $32 billion, up 65%, and net profit margins improved to 56%. Jensen Huang also announced Nvidia is working with Saudi Arabia to build supercomputers, which is massive. Now, Bitcoin had a wild ride, dipping all the way down to $88,453 before recovering back to $92,200, and odds of Bitcoin hitting $85,000 in November just hit 50%. Speaking of Bitcoin, there's some really interesting institutional moves happening, with Abu Dhabi tripling their position in Bitcoin, saying they view it as a store of value similar to gold and see it playing an increasingly important role alongside gold. And the UAE State Fund also tripled its stake in BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. New Hampshire just approved and launched the first ever Bitcoin-backed municipal bond, and Senate Banking Chair Tim Scott said he aims to have committees vote on the crypto market structure bill next month. On the Fed front, odds of a 25 basis point rate cut on December 10th fell to just 32%. Odds the Fed doesn't change rates in December rose to 66%. And President Trump will decide on the next Federal Reserve chair before Christmas, with Kevin Hassett's odds of being formally nominated rising to 48%. Google stock hit a new all-time high of $302. President Trump told Elon Musk, "You are so lucky, I'm with you." Elon said AI and humanoid robots will eliminate poverty and make everyone wealthy. And Peter Schiff said, "Bitcoin has no future." Because, of course, he did. On the macro side, the U.S. national debt has increased by over $2 trillion. Since the debt ceiling was raised in July, the office vacancy rate in the U.S. moved up to 20.7%, which is the highest in history, and S&P 500 profit margins rose to 13.8% in Q3, which is also a record. Crypto exchange Kraken filed for a US IPO. The 3 times long MicroStrategy ETF is down 32% today and 99% over the last year, which is absolutely brutal. Over in the altcoin world, Grayscale Spot XRP ETF is set to go live as early as November 24th. Valor rallied over 80% following news that WLFI will feature the project at the Solana Skyline event. BlackRock clients sold $165 million worth of Ethereum, and BlackRock filed a new staked Ethereum trust in Delaware. If you enjoyed this daily roundup, make sure to follow me, and I'll see you tomorrow.